Gillette. Alright guys, I've been away for a few days after doing a video a day for a year. 365 days. Actually, I extended it out 2 days and went to 367. So for those of you who have been waiting for me to re-emerge, I've got a couple of things, including this video today, but I've got a great new vehicle, the 2018 Ford Expedition that I'm going to be reviewing and getting out soon. But anyway, let's get to it. So back in the day, you couldn't get better than Gillette. They had come up with the Gillette sensor. That was a really awesome razor. 2 blades, lightweight, reasonably priced for the cartridges. And then they got to what I think was the absolute best product they've made. It was the Mach 3, and it had a different orientation. You see how it's like angled here? 3 blades. Now this is an older one. 3 blades, lubricated strip, nice rubber guard here. Very, very nice. This was where I think they should have stopped because it just worked. Now recently I've been doing a lot of reading for reviews, and I found out that this model that I'm reviewing today was actually rated one of the best, like 10 best shaving devices you can get. Now this is the Mach 3 Sensitive Power. Now what Gillette marketed a while back was this battery operated handle that vibrated. You hear that? So it vibrates, which releases an electrical pulse that goes up and touches your beard and makes the beard stand up so it can be cut. Now, is it marketing hype? I don't know. But the Mach 3 line of razors is great. If you like a close shave, you like a disposable, cartridge, kind of can't get much better than this. Now, interestingly enough, you can't find these off the shelf. At least in the States, I haven't been able to find it. I was able to pick this up from Amazon, and it comes from Europe, but you get the handle and you still can get from Amazon the blades. So for the sensitive guy, the Mach 3 Sensitive. Now I'm using a traditional over-the-counter gel like an average guy would. You can use a shave brush if you'd like, but come on guys. Alright, so let's test it out. Nice Ergo handle, feels good, and you've got the power. Got the power. Oh, that's smooth. Just beautiful, guys. Now with most razors, you want to just let the razor do the work. You don't want to push too hard or you're going to cut yourself. Yeah, it's wonderful. What I like about the Mach 3 is you never feel like you're going to get cut. It's really in the way that the blade is manufactured. There's this guide here. These silver tabs are guides here. The lubrication strip, the rubber guide. It's just very secure, guys. I really feel like they perfected it right at the Mach 3. Now you can get 6 blades, 9 blades, just 3 blades with the power feature. Works like a charm. All right, let's attack the neck. Works like a charm because I want a nice close shave. I'm gonna go ahead and lather up again. I'm gonna take a second pass. So there you go, guys. I could go for another pass and go cross grain if I wanted to, but this Mach 3 does a really good job. Skin as smooth and as soft as a baby's backside. Look at that. No irritation and somewhat economical if you buy in bulk. So I'm going to leave a link in the description box below so you can get your own Mach 3 Power Sensitive, because you can't get them in the stores here, so you're going to have to do the Amazon thing, I believe. If you can find them in the stores in the States, let me know. This is pretty cool. It's a cool looking handle. So if you're into marketing, like I am, it just works, guys. It works. As always, I want to thank you for watching. But remember, keep pushing
play.
And I think I'm smelling food. I'll see you next time. Keep pushing play. Keep pushing play. Oh, wow.